Some tips for when you're negotiating, for when you're talking with the sales agent. Number one, do your research. Before entering negotiations, gather as much information as possible about the current market conditions, including price trends. Are the prices going up or down? Inventory levels. Are there more houses on the market now or less? And the competition. What other homes are there on the market right now that are similar to this one? This knowledge will give you a strong foundation and an edge in negotiations, allowing you to make informed decisions and set realistic expectations. Don't take that too lightly. So, knowing the market, when a sales agent calls you, you could have a script ready to say to that sales agent, look, I'm aware of the market. I recognize that prices are cooling at the moment. And so therefore my offer reflects that. And if the prices are in fact cooling, what can the sales agent say back to you? So this is where your market knowledge comes into the conversation. Number two, set yourself some clear objectives. Define your priorities and goals before starting negotiations. So when you place an offer, assume that there'll be negotiations and start planning for it then. Knowing what you want to achieve, such as specific price range or particular items and terms, will help you. So what I mean by that is I said particular items and terms. I meant to say terms, but particular items came to my mind because part of your negotiation strategy could be remembering, okay, if they ask me to increase the price, I'm going to ask them to include that. They'll get their money and I'll also get this to make sure that, therefore, I feel it's a more even negotiation, a more even transaction for both of us. Knowing what you want to achieve, such as a specific price range or particular terms, will help you stay focused and avoid getting sidetracked. Clear objectives also enable you to communicate your needs effectively to the other party. Build trust. Establishing trust with the other party can facilitate smoother negotiations. Absolutely. That's why we're working hard to develop a great relationship with the sales agent from the first meeting. Building a positive rapport can lead to more open communication, which means the sales agent's going to feel a little bit more comfortable about sharing some tidbits with you, and a willingness to work together towards a common goal. Stay calm and professional. Emotions can run high during negotiations, but it's crucial to remain calm and professional. Keeping your emotions in check will help you think clearly and make rational decisions. A composed demeanor also conveys confidence and can positively influence the negotiation process. Present multiple offers. Offering multiple solutions or proposals can create flexibility in negotiations. So instead of just saying, well, I'd like to do this, you could be the solution provider. You could say, well, we could do this or this. Which one would be more acceptable to the seller? And then again, it shows your flexibility and your desire to come to a fair agreement. Understand the other people's needs. Knowing what the other party wants and needs can help you find common ground and create win-win situations. By addressing their concerns and showing empathy, you can build goodwill and make it easier to reach an agreement. It's not a competition. Don't treat it like it's a competition. Don't treat it like you're just trying to get every last cent you can. Treat it like it's got to be a win-win and a fair agreement for both parties. That will have the sales agent helping you out. Practice patience. Negotiations can take time and rushing the process can lead to unfavorable outcomes. Be patient and allow the negotiation to unfold naturally, taking the time to thoroughly discuss and consider each aspect of the deal ensures you make well-informed decisions and achieve the best possible outcome. So practice patience. And finally, be prepared to walk away. There'll always be another home. The ability to walk away from a deal gives you leverage. The mindset that brings demonstrates you are serious and not desperate. Do your research, set clear objectives, build trust, stay calm and professional. Try to present multiple options, be the solution seeker. Understand the other party's needs practice patience, and be prepared to walk away.